on it.
Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing a unit from LUVMEHAIR. I do want to say thank you to LUVMEHAIR for providing today's headband wig. All wig information will be listed in my description bar below, you guys, if you are interested in purchasing this unit. So this unit has a lot of highlight colors in it. It's a lightish brown shade. We'll go with the golden tones. Super curly. I think it might be 18 inches, but that's why I say check the description bar below because I will have the inches there. But it is a really nice and full high density unit. I really love how it feels. It's full looking but still feels very lightweight on the neck. I'm going to show you guys about 4 different styles that you can achieve with this headband wig. And yeah, so let's go ahead and jump into the video. Also, make sure you go and subscribe to my channel, and then also follow me on my socials. They're on my screen and they'll be in my description bar as well. So the first look that I'm going to show you guys is just the basic down look. I'm just going to wear it down in the natural style that it comes in. First, I will hook the headband strap around, just make sure it's nice and secure. I really love how this fits on my head. I have an average sized head, is how I would size the circumference of my head. So it fits very nice and snug once you adjust those bands. I started off with the cheetah headband, and these are headbands that they did provide me with today. I really loved how this one looked with my choice of shirt that I had on and my makeup. It just all flowed really well together. And this cheetah headband wig is also like a really good play on colors with the color of this wig. Okay, now let's jump into the second look. So the second look, I started off with the army camouflage. I don't know why I always say army. The camouflage headband. I really like this one as well. I really like when I had like the thicker headbands, just because they cover really well as far as like the black band, because sometimes it can try to slip a little bit and show. So this type of headband really makes that more camouflaged. Very funny to say. It camouflages the black band and it just makes it all look very seamless and just looks really well blended. So this unit went into a high bun. Super easy. I had no struggles with it at all. My wig didn't lift, move, shift, none of that. So it's really good for putting it into a high bun. Now I'm going to show y'all the third look. So you can see the back too. You see that? Like, it went up really good. So this third look, I kind of call this the clean the house hairstyle, because that's what the ponytail is giving. It is giving like I'm about to mop my floors, sweep my floors, do some laundry, you know, just straighten up, run errands for the day. That's what this hairstyle gives me. I think it's really, really cute though. You could probably even pair it with like a cute tracksuit or something. I think that would be a really fun way to play with this hairstyle. And then I paired it with this floral kind of leaf headband. It had yellow, blue, and white, and a little bit of army green in the headband. It was still super cute. Nice, big, fluffy, and curly. And don't this kind of remind y'all of like your mom or grandmother getting up cleaning on a Saturday? Like, that's what that hairstyle is giving me. Like I'm about to go and clean my house. It's real cute though, so I'm gonna be cute while cleaning my house, okay? Alright, so let's go ahead and jump into the next look. So this next look, I actually took it out of the ponytail, y'all, and I'm gonna give you a half up, half down do. It literally is so versatile. This unit is super duper easy to work with, you guys. It's super beginner friendly. It was very easy to throw it up into this half up, half down do as well. I literally did that in like a minute. You probably could even cut down the time and do it in quicker than a minute, but I was just moving slow because I was listening to my TV. But it literally just styled so easily. I wasn't having any issues with like the hair tangling up after taking it out of the ponytail. I didn't have any shedding problems. Very good quality hair. It feels amazing. Super soft to the touch. Not too shiny, not too dull. It was literally perfection. So then I was like, okay, which headband am I going to use? So I jumped into the yellow one, and it has more of a floral look as well. It's just like small, I think dandelions on it, to be honest, just like little white flower petals on it. But this was like one of my top favorite looks for sure. I really love an up down do. It's one of my go-tos. I feel like it just makes your look even more playful, trendy, stylish, and fun. And then to just show you the last look, all I did was take that same ponytail that I have up in the half up down do, and I twirled it around and I put it into a top knot bun. So look at there, in just a matter of a few minutes I was able to show you guys 5 different hairstyles. So that just shows you how versatile this unit is and how easy it is to work with. So it's definitely one that you should consider trying if you are looking for something that's super easy and super quick when you're on the go, and you can literally change your styles up any way you want to. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed all of the looks that I showed you today. If you did, make sure you check out the description bar below, because I'll have the link there for you to get the same exact unit. I want to say thank you again to Love Me Hair for providing today's unit, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye y'all. Thanks for watching.